All right, Uncle Randeaux, scrambled eggs, scrambled duck eggs. Yeah.
Here with
The photographer, Lou Cipollini. We're going to have scrambled duck egg today.
keep going. Let's just do this.
And we're going when I got the pot going here. We're just going to just a quick scramble of everything. Gonna mix it all up. Not the cheese though.
What'd you put in there?
I got scallions. I got some Black Forest ham. I got the gods to have the bell pepper. And we don't even think about it without garlic. All right? I don't even have to say garlic. You should know to do garlic. All right. Here we go. A little black pepper. Uncle Randeaux's cayenne. Yippee-yi-yo, cayenne.
Ooh, yeah. There's gonna be a little fire in there.
That's not enough. You gotta put this, you want fire.
Oh, yeah.
That's when we have the fire. Right?
Oh, yeah. We got it going on. This is gonna be some good stuff. We're here in quarantine, social distancing, having a good old time, and making some impromptu video. Yeah. Here I am, and we're just looking at that beautiful omelet being made up here, ready to go. Everybody's got their masks on. We're good to go. All right, we got the duck eggs happening. Now we're rolling.
All right, just about ready here. Gotta cook it down a little bit though. All right. Oh.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
We want to turn it up a little bit.
All right, that's looking real good. I'm getting a little hungry just watching this omelet scramble being made. It's kind of a mixed mush of a little bit of everything. I can't wait to have a taste. And we're going to tell you how good this is. And we'll give you a recipe one day when we redo this show for the real deal. But eggs are a fun way to make a quick meal for a lunch, a dinner, a breakfast, you name it. We can do it with eggs.
All right, we added the cheese to the egg omelet.
All right, don't be shy with that cheese now. Don't be shy. Now, there we go. If you don't like cheese, you're not going to like this omelet. And my wife don't like cheese, so she wouldn't like this scramble omelet here. But we are going to just love this thing. All right up. I'm going to put a little hot sauce on it at the end. Oh, I can't wait.
We'll cut this right in half. We each going to take half.
Well, that half doesn't look even, Randy.
That's right. I know which half you don't want.
There we go. Oh, that looks good. Oh, yeah. That looks real good. Oh, yeah. That's some good looking eggs right there.
If I had something else to put on it when I cooked, I would have. I put everything in the house.
We're going to come over here and look at this plate. Look at that. Look how sexy that is. All right, now we got to decide who's getting which plate, though.
You have to.
Oh, man.
One you grab.
Okay, here we go with the egg scramble from Uncle Randeaux. We're going to put a little bit here of Uncle Randeaux's liquid fire. And of course, we just need a couple of little splashes here. And that is going to be delicious.
Oh, chef. Now we're ready, but you cannot. You know why God made the chicken and some egg and some duck and some egg? For Uncle Randeaux's hot sauce. This is homemade right here in my yard. I grew these Tabasco peppers all by myself. I'm gonna put only a tiny little bit of salt. And of course some black pepper. Le poivron. All right. This is it. Here's the big test here. Are you ready? Oh, that egg. That's a duck egg here, chef. That duck egg is real good. That makes a good omelet. Nice yellow. See how yellow? Ooh, yeah, that's good. But you got to have this. I gotta have a little more. This is not like the one you buy in the store, no. Not at all. I got garlic, I got the onion, I got the cheese, the fromage. I got it all. Ça c'est bon. Ça c'est bon. Chante, mon ami.